Hello, Taurus. Welcome to your reading. This is for your June 8th to June 10th reading. So, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the Z notification bell. At kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At meron din po tayo doong mga readings na nire-release. So check nyo po at mag-subscribe na rin kayo. No? So kung meron po kung nakaka-relate kayo or nakaka-resonate, please comment below and hit the notification bell para ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo nagre-release ng bagong video. Ayan. I want you to know, Taurus, that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading. You may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Taurus, ang nakikita ko dito, parang eto na yung kasagutan, no? Parang you have a wish. It could be a wish, it could be a prayer, it could also be a demand, no? Something that you emitted or wanting to happen for the other person to give it to you, whether it is directly, indirectly, no? So, I feel like ito na yung katuparan na someone is going to say yes, someone is going to agree, someone is going to grant someone else's wishes. Kung meron dito mga separations, because there are spiritual unions in here, separations can be physical or energetic. So, ang nakikita ko dito, ito yung pagkikita muli, pag-uusap muli, no? Ito yung pagbubuo, no? Sabihin natin kung nasira man yan, kung sabihin natin nag-pause man yan, I am seeing here good camaraderie and also good, harmony with you and your person. With the Nine of Cups, the Hangman, and the Judgment. Meron dito, it could be you, it could be the other person, it doesn't matter. What I am reading here is the dynamics. So nakikita ko dito parang yung isa is before, ayaw niyang, kumbaga, meron na ditong sinabi na ayoko na, no, tapos na to. Pero siguro that was just heightened emotion. Ito yung parang sinasabi galit kasi siya kaya niya nasabi, no? Pero as time passes by, nung medyo kumalma na, no? Nakita ko dito na parang I think I need to fix, no, itong relasyon naming dalawa with the Seven of Swords and the Queen of Pentacles. So, Seven of Swords, usually you guys are very afraid of the Seven of Swords. It doesn't always have to be that way, no? Kasi yung synchronicities ng mga cards and the way how it presented, sometimes it differs, the meaning of it. Katulad nito, no? Probably nagsalita siya ng tapos at sinabi niya nga na ayoko na, no? Kumbaga, parang naisip niya, I think I will consider it as a prank, no? Nasabi ko yun kasi nga galit ako or masyado akong nadala ng emosyon ko. Pero hindi talaga yun yung mininig ko, no? With the Empress, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Eight of Swords. So, ang nakikita ko naman dito is mas lalo kayong magiging close, no? Mas lalo kayong magkakaroon ng passionate and intimate connection to a point na halos ayaw nyo ng bitawan ang isa't isa. To a point na halos ayaw nyo ng magkalayo ulit, no? So, ang nakikita ko dito, I think that one of the issues also is being too clingy, no, sa connection. Kumbaga, nasasakal na yung isa. With the Nine of Swords and the Three of Cups. So parang nawala na din kasi dito yung freedom, no, from what I am seeing. Nawala yung freedom ng individual, no. Kailangan lagi tayong magkadikit, no. Ganun yung laging sistema. So parang sabi ng isa, nawalan ako ng identity, nawala yung sense of pagiging tao ko, no. Kumbaga naging anino na lang ako nung kabila. And I think that someone here kind of, yun kasi yung medyo nagiging issues, no, Taurus, kapag nagkaroon tayo ng grasp. Now, again, it could be you, it could be them na masyadong masakal, no, dito sa pag-handle ng connection. Tama lang, no? Dapat nasa tama lang yung meron siyang sariling time, meron kang sariling time, no? Kasi at the end of the day, you're still an individual, no? Meron kayong mga trip na pwedeng para sa inyo lang, no? Pwedeng pangkalahatan sa inyong dalawa, no? Pero yung nakikita ko dito na wala yun. So, I went back to who I was, no? So, ginawa ko yung mga bagay na mga dating ginagawa ko, pero it feels like kulang, no? I'm missing the person and I hope that sana pag dumating yung time, no, na mag-ayos kami uli, mas medyo sana okay na meron kaming freedom, meron din kaming para sa aming dalawa lang, no, yung right amount, yung siguro ang kulang, no? Siguro masyadong nasasakal, no, whoever this is. So this is your reading, Taurus for June 8 to June 10. Tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. It could be their sun sign or it could be a placement in their chart. So I am seeing here pwedeng kapwa Taurus, Sagittarius, Libra, Scorpio, Pisces. I'm also seeing here Virgo. I'm seeing Aries, no, Leo, Cancer. So this is your reading. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to check the options. You can ask a question, by the way, sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung feeling nyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, meron po sa description box na link. It's either you have to copy the link or click the link. You'll be routed to my page or type in your questions. Follow the instructions, click submit, or if you want to avail our private reading, nasa description din po yan. So, this is your reading, Taurus, Love and Light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.